Huh. Today's a tornado outbreak. A super outbreak, maybe. It looks like there's a bunch of debris everywhere. You know what? Since there might be an EF5 tornado tomorrow, I might as well gather up some stuff so I can be prepared. Now I heard over there's a lot of stuff. But we've got to collect stuff so we can get in there. Come on, come with me. Ooh, looks like we found our first items. We found this. I don't know what that is. We found this, and this. Oh, look over here. We unlocked something new. These are called balls. Well, these are used to connect these. Look, I'll show you an example. I'll take this and stick it right on there. See, now it's on there. Now let's go put this in our place so we can find them some more. Alrighty, don't think I'm one. Ooh, let's come over here. Ooh, look, we unlocked a new item. These are called wheels. We use these to make cars. Come on, let's take these. And I also saw this. I found a gun. Now we can use this to defend off people that try to steal our stuff. Look at this. We got one more piece. We already have enough stuff. Let's come over here. This was nice. What is this? Super slider? We can use this to go around. Wait up! Okay, now we got this. Oh, that's just the tank thing. I think it fell off. We don't really need it. Or I could take the bullets out of it. But I can't find the ignition. Let's take our stuff. Ooh, look over here. We found more stuff. Come on, let's take these back. Come on, let's go back. I think it might be unlocking. Stand back, it might explode. Wow, that was a close one. Look at all our things that we need. Now, you might be wondering, what is this? Well, this is a tire for a bike that we can find. We just need to find the rest of them. Now let's collect this. We might need it for a shelter. Perfect. Now let's go back to grab some more stuff. Oh, right, we couldn't forget our... Let's just call these the wheel thingy-majingies. Let's place that right there. Those go into the wheel so it can connect to our thing. Oof. Wait, did we miss something? I think we did. Now let's get that back over here. Oh, and look at that. We found a convenient... I can't speak today. Sorry, guys. Now we have a bike. We can travel faster now. Well, I mean a lot faster than we were before. And also, if we find the right materials, we're also allowed to put this bike on there so we can go light speed. I need to go back and put this here. Or we can throw it. Scoocha! Oh, a wheel fell off. We can put that back on. We got a fuel set. This could be used for our cars. Scotcha! Okay, none of that. We can collect all these materials. Now, we're gonna go back at some point and get our stuff. So, let's come back. Now it's time to build our car. We might have to build. Yeah, we need to go back and find a wheel. I think we found one. We got one. Also with some more stuff in it. Let's go back. Now it's time to build a car. It's not going to be a good one, but it'll work. Looks like we need another item. Objective solved. We found the item. Well, sorry for the long video. We made a car. Not good. Now stay tuned for part 2.